Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before I get stuck in, I just want to say a big hello to all you guys out there. Thank you so much for subscribing. It is absolutely fantastic. I can't believe we've hit well over 2,000 subscribers now. You're making such a massive difference to me, my children's lives, and just me in general being so much happier. And this community is amazing. You guys are genuine legends. So I just wanted to jump on and say hello in person and thank you so much. Right, we are going to do June week 1 cash stuffing. However, I do have to tell you that this is the second time I've filmed this video. The first time when it came out to edit it, I realised there was some issues with the camera itself. So I do tend to cut and edit different parts, so take little breaks in between, usually because there's a baby crying in the background. But just so you know, I did already film it with blue nails. I no longer have blue nails because today is Tuesday and I am going to go and spend my beauty envelope. Yay! I'm so excited for it. I can't tell you. So check it out. We're gonna get stuck in and I hope you find it really useful. Let's have a look then at my cash stuffing for June for the first week. So I should have £340, which I have here, but I can't grab it. What have I done with it? There it is. So I should have £340, which I'm going to check with you now, because you know how good I am at getting all muddled up. And I'm going to see where I'm going to put that. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 280, 290, 300, 20, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, 340. There we go. So I tend to have a look at my calendar for the month, so it helps me decide where I need to prioritize in terms of envelopes and things like that. So let me just have a quick look at that. So this is it. So I'm going to the hairdressers later on today. So the money's still in there. I haven't taken it out, but I'm hoping to get my nails done as well tomorrow. So I would like to try and get this in. I need to buy my brother's birthday present. I think they're only like £15, these things that he's after. I don't know, he does loads of DIY bits. I am going to Glasgow. Let me put it this way. On here. But that's free. It's all paid for. All like even food and everything is paid for. Whatever I buy, it's just all reimbursed. Thank you for your hints and tips. Lots of you have put comments on where I should go and where I should see and where's good to eat, because I don't know anyone, and the thing I'm going for is only occurring on Saturday, but I need to be there at like 6:30 in the morning before anything happens. So I think I have been told I'm allowed to share some details of it with you, so I'm hopefully going to make a video and let you know what I'm doing. On Friday I might do a little video on my way. We'll see. Or I might film it and then release it when I come back. I don't know what I'm allowed to get away with yet. We'll see. So yeah, that's what I need doing. That's why I'm getting all my hair and my nails done as well. Possible girls' day or night here. MOT. I need to get some money in that envelope because honestly, if those breaks go, that's it. It's gonna be taken out of there. The other thing, do you know what I need to do as well? I need to get myself another envelope. My washing machine is driving me nuts. It's been doing this for months, where sometimes it'll work and sometimes it'll not. I think it might have a loose wire. I don't know. I'm not an electrician or a plumber. But like, you know, you just turn the dial on and then lights come on and then sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't. It just depends what mood it's in. So I've had about 3 days of it not working again. It came back on today. But I haven't got time. Like for me, when I'm doing my washing, I need to be able to do it and get it all done. I can't just be doing bits. I need it all along. Anyway, so I can't just rely on, you know, whenever it feels like it. That's no good. So, where am I? My fluid envelopes. What do I need then? I definitely need to get some groceries as well today. So, I've got time for me. Nothing in groceries at the minute. Gifts is looking quite fetching. Petrol still got some in because I only spent 40 of that money. And my beauty envelope, oh, it's got 95 in it. I forgot to put that other fiver in, didn't I, the other day? So I thought it had 90 in. Although so I need to put some in there because that's going to get emptied today and tomorrow. So let me have a look at this one then. We're going to go with, let's put, because I will take my time for me envelope with me to Glasgow just in case. Because, yeah, like, you know, my hotel sorted, my transport sorted, my food sorted. But it's nice to have, you know, a little bit of something in reserve if I see anything, or I'm just going to, I'm so excited just to have some time to myself. Oh, gosh. Groceries, 40 in there. Petrol. I'm just going to put 10 in because I've already got, how much was in it? Yeah, there's like 40 already in, and I know full tank's 45-ish, isn't it? So let's put 10 in this one, and then I just don't know how much your hair costs anymore, and it's been so long since I paid to have my hair done. I just put like did my own roots sort of thing, and that's it. It's so long. Like, I went in to see the woman to like check what I needed to do. She was like, I can't believe how long your hair's growing. It is very long right now. Let's put in, we've got 95. I'll take one of these fivers to round it up. And then, yeah, let's put 25 in there, I think. So let's have a go at doing that. Time for me. I'll go in here. Right, 20 in time for me. What's in this one? I've got 8 in there now. That's good. That's good. That's good. Groceries. What am I doing here? 40 for groceries. This way is much more efficient. Like, you know, before when I was just like shoving it in and kept getting lost. Writing the numbers down now has worked for me. Gifts is getting 10. I need to check this one actually because I think I gave myself a little interim goal. At one point this was in my it was in my big dreams envelope. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 in there. I gave myself like a little goal to try and get this to 200, I think. So petrol's getting 10. And beauty, I said 25, didn't I? Just really nice. I say this all the time. It's really nice having the money here, and that's one of the reasons I don't go to the hairdresser, is because I know how much it costs. I remember going in once, and like the bill was like £85, and I could have cried because I didn't have I did have the £85, but it like going back a few years ago now. I honestly could have cried because I was just like, I can't justify that, and that's why I stopped going. And then started using like training colleges instead, or you know, when they want models and things, because that's cheaper and that's what I could afford. You don't always get the haircut that you wanted, but I'm very boring. I don't do very much with mine. Keep it very much the same. Anyway, but I'm treating myself. Because I've got the money there. I hope there's not going to be an £85 bill, but we'll see. 20, 60, 70, 80, 90, 105. Spent, which means I've got 235 left here. There we go. So 235 is what I'm going to put into a sinking fund, my debt as well. Now I was nearly my goal for some of these, I think. School. All I need some school shoes. Oh, The buckle's damaged and broke on them. It's just not working. So, emergency, nothing for you today. Car repairs is going to have to get some money in. School's going to get some money in. Education's not getting anything. That's already full. So, let me see. What's to do? There's not very much in here. I just need some shoes. Right, let's do. Hopefully, oh yeah, I'm going to do an Etsy cash stuffing this week. I'm sorry, I'm thinking out loud. You know what I'm like. Right, let's do 20 for these two. Let's do. What's in it? What's in here? 40. 40's in there. I'm going to put 40 in just in case. Car repairs, what have I spent now? 40, 80, let's do 100 in here. I'm just thinking about those brakes because I don't know how much they are, basically. Right, 40's going in that one. It's interesting, isn't it? Like when I have times where I just don't put very much in it. And then just by planning and looking at my calendar and knowing that I need to throw a load into, you know, my car repairs. It's good. It is good, this method. 20, 40, 60, 81. You know, I do like it. I do like it. What did I say? 20 for the kids. 20 for the kids. And then the rest will go into my debt envelope. School's is done. Okay, what have I got going in here? It won't be very much going in here because I put it in there into my car repair envelope. That's okay. 20, 30, 40, 55. As I said, I've got some money coming from Etsy this week, so that'll get a bit of there, I think. I'm hoping anyway. So we've got 100, 20, 40, 180. Yeah, 235, we're good. And that's it. That is us all done for week 1 of June. And I have no idea what's on this. I've been resting on it. I need a new calculator. It's going on my wish list, on my Amazon wish list. Oh, thanks so much for sticking with me. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you have an amazing June, and I'll see you really, really soon. Bye.